It is the Rural Mutual Mental Health Week in Wisconsin, and it has us focusing on all aspects of mental health and the help that's available. I'm Ben Jarbo with the Midwest Farm Report, and according to Megan Wolf, the owner of SoulGood Counseling in Lafayette County, more farmers are realizing the importance of their mental health. She shares some of what the top issues conflicting farmers are.
Sure. So I work with farmers weekly. I would definitely say between both of the offices that I work out of, just maybe about 3 years ago, through the farm center with the state of Wisconsin, I contracted with them, and now they funnel farmers. Farmers will contact them that are really struggling if they don't have insurance, if they have high deductibles or whatnot, and then they will contact me and or any other therapist that they can find, and then I'll connect with the farmer. Otherwise, farmers will also contact me directly.
And when you do have these farmers coming in to talk to you, what seems to be the biggest worry for them? Is it just the stressors of the markets, or is it usually more other underlying things?
Sure. So I would definitely say the stress of the markets, where financially where their farm is at today. A lot of times people will have family stress because a lot of farms work with siblings and or parents, or maybe they're bringing or attempting to bring the next generation in. A lot of times I'll see anxiety and or depression that seems to be getting in the way of relationships. Sometimes I'll see marital struggles that happen on the farm, even if one of the spouses works off the farm. Recently, I think it was in 2024, I was certified to do or to help with the mental health side of succession farming. So I'm seeing more succession planning disagreements and or grief or identity crisis that comes with succession farming. With succession planning on the farm. Sometimes we have personality conflicts that happen within a family. Remember, again, like I said, when farmers are working with their siblings, sometimes, we bring what happened in childhood, maybe even birth order, into our everyday work. And then when it's time for a holiday or time to get together as a family, well, how do we shut off the farm and show up and be happy on at the celebration or the holiday or whatever it is. So sometimes there's big stressors there. And then I would also say just people who struggle with substance abuse. It could be alcohol or amphetamine or opiates or cannabis, or the list goes on nowadays, and just how they're dealing with the stress of farming.
Yeah, and I mean, with all that, especially with that succession planning coming into play, more common now for farmers, how have you seen an increase, I guess, in people and farmers that are coming in and families coming in from rural areas because of all this that's happening right now?
I would definitely say I've seen more farmers and I've had more farmers reach out in the last couple of years now. Karen at the Farm Center would probably be able to pull some good numbers and statistics for us for the state of Wisconsin. I don't have them in front of me right now, but I do know that year after year, more farmers are using the Farm Center and the Farmer Wellness Program. And all the different programs that they have going on there, which then also trickles down to therapists. And, so we're seeing an increase in it. I also think that we're doing a much better job as a society of normalizing our mental health, and that it's just as important as our physical health. And sometimes mental health and physical health go together hand in hand. And so, just watching society as a whole really starting to awaken and not be afraid to get help or to talk to somebody and get some added skills that can help reduce the stress or help reduce the anxiety or depression symptoms. I would definitely say I've seen a big increase in the last probably at least 3 years.
Megan Wolf says that a couple of free resources she recommends are 988, the National Suicide Hotline, and DATCAP has a whole program that is grant funded, so it is completely free as well. At Rural Mutual Insurance, we're more than policies, we're your Wisconsin neighbors, here to protect what matters most. Together, we're keeping families, farms, and communities strong. Learn more at ruralmutual.com. From the Midwest Farm Report, I'm Ben Jarbo.